Here's what you do if you want to use walking to lose weight. This is based on the 1 to 3-3-0 method, but we're gonna upgrade it. So this is how it works. We gonna take a look at your current activity levels, and then we gonna walk up this hill for 12 minutes at a speed of 3 miles per hour, and then we gonna walk down this hill for 30 minutes at a speed of 3 miles per hour. And this is what that looks like. Okay, there's the hill. I'm going to walk up this hill for 12 minutes, and when I get to the top, I'll turn around and walk back down this hill for 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here we are at the bottom of the hill. Let us go ahead and start our timer, and we gonna walk up this hill for 12 minutes. Now, when you're doing this, you need to have proper form. So what you do is you want to keep your head up. You want to look straight ahead. You don't want to be looking at your feet, and you want to have a nice upright posture. So keep your chest up, shoulders back, and you're gonna take nice long strides, and when you walk, you want to walk with a purpose. You're not just walking because you got to walk. You're walking because you've got places to be and things to do. That's how you want to walk. So we gonna do that for 12 minutes, and then we gonna walk back down this hill for 30 minutes. Now what happens when you walk down the hill is that you gonna burn more calories than if you were to just walk on flat ground, and that's because your body has to work harder when you're going up a hill. When you're going down a hill, your body actually has to work less hard. So we're going to take advantage of that by walking down a hill for 30 minutes after we've already warmed up for 12 minutes going up the hill. So let's go ahead and get started with that now. Okay, so now we've reached the top of the hill. You can see my Apple Watch here says 12 minutes. So we're gonna turn around and we're gonna walk back down this hill for 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're halfway done. You can see my Apple Watch here. It says 15 minutes. I paused it because I had to use the restroom. But we're halfway done with the 30 minutes. And I just wanted to show you guys something. If you look at my watch here, you can see that I've burned 384 calories. Now, if I were to just walk for 30 minutes on flat ground, I wouldn't burn this many calories. I would probably burn around 150 calories less, so that's why we go up the hill. That way we can burn more calories because it's more inclined. It's more of an incline, I'm sorry, so that's why we do that. So, if you look at my overall heart rate, you can see it's 146 beats per minute. And then, if you look at my active calories, which is the calories that I've burned just from moving, you can see that's another 384 calories. So, if I add those two together, I've burned over 700 calories in just 38 minutes. And we still have 12 minutes to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these last 12 minutes. And when we're done, I'll show you the total amount of calories that I burned. Okay, so we're done. Let's take a look at my watch here. You can see that I walked for 50 minutes. I burned 493 calories, which means that overall, if I add those calories that I burned during my active workout and the calories that I burned from my basal metabolic rate, I burned a total of 853 calories in just 50 minutes. And that's why this works so well for weight loss. And the reason why I like this method so much is because it's simple. All you need is a hill and some comfortable shoes. You don't need any special equipment. You don't even need to go to the gym to do this. You can do this right outside your front door.